Have you ever wondered what's really happening deep down in the universe? I'm talking about the crazy, absolutely bonkers world of quantum physics, a reality that looks nothing like what you and I experience every day. So let me take you on a quick journey to where things get really weird. Imagine you're at a party. You flip a coin, heads or tails, right? Now, picture if, instead, the coin could be both heads and tails at once, until you peek at it. That's kind of what happens with quantum particles. They can exist in multiple states at the same time, a phenomenon called superposition. But wait, it gets even stranger. Picture you have a pair of gloves, one left-handed, one right-handed. You put them in 2 boxes and send them across the globe. If you open one box and find a left glove, you instantly know the other's right. Seems simple. Except in quantum physics, it's like the gloves don't decide if they're left or right until you look, and when you do, the other glove, no matter how far away, instantly knows and becomes the opposite. This is called entanglement. Einstein called it spooky action at a distance. Yeah, even Einstein thought it was wild. Now, let's zoom in even further. In our normal world, if you want to go from your house to the store, you walk the path, right? In quantum land, a particle goes from point A to point B by taking every possible path at once up the street, through the neighbor's yard, even tunneling through a wall. This is known as the path integral, and it's one of the key ideas behind how quantum physics predicts what happens. Maybe you've heard people say, observation changes reality. They're not kidding. At the tiniest scales, just looking at a particle, just measuring it, actually forces it to choose a state. Before you looked, it was in a blur of possibilities. After, just one. This isn't magic. It's the universe playing by rules that feel almost like a cosmic prank. But here's the thing. None of this is just theory. Quantum physics is real. It's the reason smartphones, lasers, and even MRI machines exist. And yet, no one truly gets it. Richard Feynman, one of the brightest physicists, once said, "If you think you understand quantum mechanics, you don't understand quantum mechanics." So next time you look at your phone, remember, it works because somewhere a particle is flipping a coin, and it's coming up both heads and tails until you check. Quantum physics might be mind-bending, but it's also the most accurate picture of reality we have. It shows us the universe is far stranger and far more wonderful than anything we could have imagined. Thanks for coming down the rabbit hole with me.